What is preschool week?
Do fun things.
One of the best events for preschoolers in Assumption Antipolo is Preschool Week. It's a fun, filled week of activities that's capped by the learning centers. Preschoolers and their parents do exciting learning activities together while creating unforgettable moments. These activities are child-centered and target multiple intelligences and diverse learning styles.
Of all the activities we did earlier, what's your most favorite?
Ice cream!
The girls really enjoyed making a milky iced fruit dessert as much as they had fun eating it during the Frozen Delight preparation. It's one of the activities based on this year's theme of joy. The girls and their parents could hardly contain their excitement when they worked together on different center activities. All were thrilled as they did the pinwheel blowing, joy oil making, mindful hug meditation, and a whole lot more.
Specific activity in preschool week, what did you like?
Dancing with their parents in the Jesus Cheer activity is another highlight for the girls. This and other fun-centered activities are designed to integrate the different subjects such as Christian living education and science, English and reading, arts and math, and music and bodily kinesthetic. Preschool Week teaches minds and nurtures hearts. There is always joy in learning in Assumption Antipolo.
How do you spend time with family?
Caring and
The key is in finding joy in everything, even in the most simple and ordinary daily experiences.